Hello guys, so I just received my package today from Skinny Fit, and so let's check this product and let's see if it's effective. So here we got this big container, plastic container. So here it's 246 grams and made in USA. And here are the ingredients and how it works in your body. So what I like is the fact that it will boost energy naturally and help reduce bloating. And then it comes with a mini mixer, which is good. Like you can also use it like if you love frothing milk or anything that you like, because if you buy this from Amazon it will cost you around $19, so it's a great freebies from Skinny Fit. And also it comes with two AA batteries that you're gonna put in the mini mixer so it will work. And here are some papers or whatever it is that you can use, like if you are not satisfied you have 90 days to return the product, and they don't care if you emptied or finished the content of it. But if you're not satisfied they will give you a full refund, so that's great, right? So now let's check the inside. So here it is sealed. So guys, here's the inside, is half empty. So don't be surprised if it looks like this, because you have to check the size of it. So for me, I only got this 246 grams, but it is good for 30 days because you have to use one scoop a day, not more than that, okay? And here's for the nutrition facts. For one scoop you have superfood blend of 3,405 milligrams. That's a lot, guys, if you don't usually eat vegetables and fruits. So it will help boost your body, the nutrition that it needs. Good morning guys, so today I'm so excited because I'm gonna try the Skinny Fit. So we have here 400 ml of water, and yes, this 400 ml, and I'm gonna add one scoop of Skinny Fit. And then let's do the shaking. So it really blends well easily, guys, so you don't need actually the mixer. Tastes good. Yeah. It's like green apple. It's so good. It's not that grassy taste, but I like it. So first impression, I love it. I love the taste, and so let's see for the coming days if I see some changes, and I think I'm gonna continue my subscription. Thank you for watching, guys.